Here's another DaVinci Resolve tip. If you want to link content so they move together, all you need to do is select both of your tracks, for example video and audio, right click and select link clips. You can see this is already linked, so if I click this they will be unlinked and I can move them separately. So select them, right click, link clips, and you will see this little icon over here. Check out the playlist for more DaVinci tips. So here's another DaVinci Resolve tip. Here's another DaVinci Resolve tip. Easy DaVinci Resolve tip. Check out the playlist for more DaVinci tips like this. Check the playlist for more DaVinci tips like this. Check the playlist for more DaVinci tips like this.